Yo, what is good with y'all? This is Mira from Internet Money, and today I'm going to be cooking up in FL Studio on 10 Minute Tuesday, 10 minutes or less cook up. So yeah, pretty straightforward. With that being said, let's just get straight to this cook up. Alright, so for this cook up, I am going to be using my latest loop kit, Tantrum, off wavesupply.net. But since I feel like that's a little bit cheating, I'm going to use 2 loops and make 2 different beats in under 10 minutes. So, alright, got this first loop. Actually, let me start my timer real quick. Got that joint on right there. Alright. I'm going to add my clap. I'm going to do Control L, connect those notes. Control B, copy over. I'm going to copy over my kick, put it on my 808. Now I'm going to do a rough mix of this. Send this to my mixer. Now I'm going to add another melody on top of this because I feel like it's kind of empty. Check my timer real quick. Got about 30 seconds left. might have to spend more than 5 minutes on this real quick beat right here to finish it off. Alright, so now with my remaining 4 minutes, I'm going to be trying to cook up a beat from scratch in, this time. So pray for me, guys. Start. I'm going to have to record something. Make the tempo faster for the sake of this. Alright, that's that. Quantize. Check our time real quick. We got 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let's do this. All right, kick.